Okay, so we're going to be creating a this or that or would you rather style story for Instagram. It's all about creating engagement with these types of stories. Now, I've just had a search in Canva and we've got some of these this or that style stories. So there's sweet or savoury, breakfast or dinner, pancakes or waffles, hot or iced. They're to try and get people to go, oh, I can have a go at this, and to get people to engage with your stories. So I'm going to show you how to create a would you rather story. So there's quite a few this or that stories on Canva. So I'm going to go create a design and Instagram story. I'm going to give it a coloured background. I'm going to go colour background. I've got this colour I quite like that I tend to use. And this is going to be a would you rather style story. So, would you rather is my main question. So that's going to go at the top. Would you rather dot dot dot. And then I want to have some photos here. So I'm going to go over to elements and go to frames. And I'm going to pick one of my favourites, which is these ones here. I love these. I love these because they have this border around them. So I'm going to have a would you rather this or that. You shall see in a second what I'm going to be doing. I want to do something in the background as well. So I'm going to type in circle. What I want to do is give it a little bit of detail, something in the background, because just having two images on here can look plain. So I just want to give it a little something extra. And I'm having a look here just to see what we can find in the circle section. I like this. This works well with my background colour. Okay, I'm going to use it there, take down the transparency a notch so it's not too overbearing. Send it to the back, and I'm going to duplicate that and use one up here as well, position to the back. Okay, so I'm going to change my text because that is such a plain text. I like this one. I want to give it a colour simply because black is very sharp on this background. There we go. Now, would you rather make that a little smaller? Would you rather trainers another text box or high heels? Are you a trainer or a high heels person? Personally, very much trainer. Okay, I'm going to change that. I'm going to go for, yeah, I like that one. That's better. That's a nice fun font. And I'm going to just change the colour to match the rest of my text. Okay. So it's just a post to help prompt engagement from our audience. A would you rather post. And then we need to add some photos, of which you can upload your own, or you can use some from Canva. Use that one. The white background works well between those two. So we're beginning to get our would you rather this or that post. I'm just going to add something else to the background. This little element here, I like this element, into my circle. Put that behind my text. There we go. And I will duplicate it for here as well. And there we have our would you rather trainers or high heels. You can try this with anything. You could use food, you could use trees, for example, situations, services, physical products. Would you rather this or that? You could try this with anything. You can also add animated elements to the background to make it a video, make it stand out that little bit more. But I've just gone with a rather simple, but I think very pretty, would you rather trainers or high heels Instagram stories post. So I hope that's given you some ideas on what you can create when it comes to Instagram. You don't just need to stick to your business, your products or your services. Go for something a little bit more fun, something that's going to prompt engagement from your followers as well. So something like this can really do that. I hope you've enjoyed this video and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.